Hello everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Neewer 53-in-1 Action Camera Accessory Kit for GoPro or other similar action cameras that have GoPro mounts. I purchased this from Amazon for £15.99. I have already taken this out of the outer packaging. All the accessories are contained within this rectangular case. The case is very sturdy. Has a handle at the top and two zips on the side there. Open this up and here we go. All the accessories are nicely wrapped in these plastic bags, and we shall start over here. You get 12 of these fog pads which protect the lenses from fog within your housing. So that's that. You also get a Monopod, which is like a selfie stick. You attach your GoPro onto the end of there, which has got a screw, and this also tilts back and forth so you can get different angles for shooting. The good thing is it is an extendable arm, so you can get into different positions, different angles, and has a strap at the end to secure it to your wrist so you don't drop it, and if you do, you won't lose it. So that's that. I'll put this in here. We also have in the case a floating handle. It has a bright yellow colour, has a strap, and has a screw fitting as well. Suggest that when you do attach the strap to the floaty, you thread the screw through there so it's secure, and then secure the screw into the mount, the floaty mount, and then you can use this when you're around the pool, sea, lakes, etc. This strap is adjustable, has a clip at the end there which you can get the correct size for your wrist. Very useful. Using this in and around water will save you the heartache of your camera sinking to the bottom where you can't reach it. So that's that. What we have here, we have a helmet extender. So this attaches to your helmet using a base plate which is secured. You do get base plates within this package, which I'll talk about in a minute. Basically, you can use this to attach it to your bicycle helmet or your skiing helmet and film yourself. Right. They've also chucked in a phone, so a standard iPhone, etc. casing, which this attaches to the tripod, which I'll talk about now. So this is a tripod. It's like, it has bendy legs and a ball head, which so therefore you can tilt it into different positions and angles. This attaches with the screw, a 1/4-inch screw, straight onto the phone holder, and then you can use your phone as well, or you can use your GoPro with the different housing that you get. Okay, that's that. Then we have a clip, and this clip you can use to attach to a backpack. It's very strong and feels very secure. You attach your GoPro there, as you can see. Okay. We have some sticky mounts. These you can attach to helmets or other places that you feel like you want to use. There are 3 rectangular shaped mounts and 2 oblong shaped mounts, and you get 5 of these sticky pads, 3M stickies. One side attaches to the mount, the other side attaches to your helmet or wherever you want to secure your GoPro. And that's those. these over here, out the way. Go through this one. You also get a wrist strap, so you can attach your GoPro onto there, and it has Velcro fittings, and which secure onto your wrist. It is adjustable for your sizing with this additional secure strap, and that will stick like that, and then you can film using your wrists, your arms. That's very cool. And here is the head strap. The head strap is all made with nice stretchy elastic, has two adjustment clips, one on the top and one on the side, and then has the camera plate on the front where you attach your GoPro. Has a padding at on the back, so you don't get irritated wearing it. Okay. We have a bicycle mount with some screws. So we have the bicycle mount, or if you want to secure it to a pipe or something, you can use that. The good thing is you have extendable attachments, so if you wanted to have different positions, what you do is secure that onto there with, and then using the screw. Oops. You can screw to secure it into place and such, and then this tilts back and forth there. You can add this extra piece here onto that, and then attach your GoPro at the top there, and if you screw that into place, you can then have whatever position, so the bottom will go back and forth and the top one go left and right. So there we go. Pretty cool. We have the fixture for the using the GoPro as a dash cam. This has a arm which is adjustable into different positions, and also where the camera is fitted on is adjustable into different angles as well. There's a suction plate and a clip which will secure that to the windshield of your car, van, or wherever you're intending to use this for. And then we have a chest plate, sorry, and this has 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjustable clips, so you can secure adjust it to your size. Has the base plate at the front with the mount, which will slip in the camera into there, and also has a clip on the side here so you can secure it to yourself around your waist. So that's that. And here we have several different mounts. So we'll start with this. This is a tool to secure, tighten or loosen your screws. Then we have in here 2 J mounts, so you can have your camera in a different angle to the normal straightforward one. Then you have another mount with a screw fitting. This part will go into the housing, so you can keep the camera within the housing, and then what you'll do is secure this to your tripod, so you don't have to keep taking your camera out the housing. You can keep that on there and secure it straight away. There are 1, 2, 3 more screws in there, so they're plentiful there. And then we have 3 more of the mounts which are attached to your housing, so then you can use these then to secure into the base plates, which have the sticky back, and they just clip into those nicely like that. So then your GoPro would be on there. So they're quite sturdy. What else we have? We have another one of those circular ones which attach to your selfie stick. Then what they have supplied is this, another circular attachment with a screw. What this is used for is you attach your GoPro at the top here and then attach that to your DSLR camera at the top, so you can use both your action camera as well as your normal DSLR. Again, this is for using with attaching your GoPro to your DSLR. Screw that on top of your DSLR camera and then attach the GoPro to that, or whatever action camera you have purchased this for. This is a base plate with a 3M sticker, attaches like that. The other side goes on, secure it somewhere nicely, so it'll secure it tighter. And then you get this string. What you do is attach this string through the hole in there. Do that quickly, and then wherever you attach the GoPro to the other end, and wherever this is stuck against, it will ensure that you don't drop your camera anywhere. Okay, that's that. And then here we have another attachment for your action camera to your DSLR. So that goes onto your DSLR, and I can't remember how that fits on, but I do know. So yeah, it just screws on to the DSLR camera with the plate underneath. I think you just slot that into the housing at the bottom. That's that. And now you have a security string or attachment, and what you do with this is when you attach your GoPro on something, if it's in windy conditions, etc., it could be vital that you secure this onto your camera as well as one of these hooks, whichever one you're using. So what you will do is secure one end using the screw into the base, and then the other bit will be attached to the other part and the housing. Okay, and what we have left is the case. I'm just going to put these over here out of the way. Use these. Oh, before I talk about the case, I do have another part within here. You get a bag to carry your mounts in, which is always handy if you don't want to carry the whole case around. You can just throw in your mounts that you want, and it has a secure closing at the top there. You also get a leaflet welcoming you to your purchase from Lewis Parker, who is the Customer Service Director of Neewer Technology, and gives you the website here so you can register your product to obtain the 1-year free warranty. And the case itself has a pouch on the side here, so you can drop in whatever bits you want to carry around. Has a space here to put your chest mount, head mounts, etc. Space here for your camera, a battery slot, and then whatever mounts, etc. you want to carry around. This is detachable from the case, so you can take that out and just throw everything in, or if you want to be neat and tidy and keep everything secure and separated, this will protect all your mounts. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and comment in the comment section below. Thank you.